This is a massive slip. It is, when it first started, it was about 60 metres by about 15 metres, and where we're standing now, it's probably currently about 150 metres, maybe by about 30 metres deep, which is huge. I mean, this is longer than a rugby field. And what we're doing at the moment behind me is we're actually cutting a track down into the slip so we can get a geotech rig into the bottom of the slip to do some geotech testing to see what kind of material we've got. So that will inform the options that we're looking at using to repair the slip.
That's quite a challenge to work your way through ground that's moved like that, because every sort of 20 metres you find something different. You find a slip material that's still sitting underneath you, and then you find bits of the road down there that you can use to get across it, and then you find some of the original ground. It's quite an interesting job.
So there's one track where we've actually cut up above the slip to investigate a bypass option, and then there's the main entranceway down into the slip, which is just down here, which is to get us into the base of the slip, so then we can look at the base, and then when we're down there we're actually going further south to actually investigate what's down there. So that will then inform sort of whether a bridging option is doable or whether some kind of retaining and mass fill is doable.
There's a lot of wet dirt in there, but we've made good progress, smashed through it. We're just about ready for the rig to come in.
So the investigation is geotech testing, and what I mean by that is we've got a rig that's on tracks, kind of like a 10-tonne digger, that we take down, and that actually drills into the ground, and it can drill quite a long distance, say 20 metres deep. And so it will do boreholes, which takes out samples of the material, so about that diameter. So then we can ascertain what the material is, whether it's clay, rock, ash, sand, even organic type material. And the other thing we'll be doing is what we call CPTs, which is cone penetrometer testing. And what that is it's like a little spear that you drive into the ground, which tells you the resistance, which will actually give you the strength of the material that's underneath.
There's a lot down there. We don't know how deep any of it is yet. There's areas that we haven't taken the machinery because we just can't find anything firm below it yet.
We do have the expertise to fix this and connect the communities back up. It is just a matter of actually getting access down there for the geotech rigs and then informing those options, because the options are very simple. It's either retain, which we can do, bridge, which we have done lots of bridges in this country, or build a bypass round. So it's just figuring out which one is the safest method to fix this large hole and which one we can do the quickest, because obviously connecting the communities is the most important factor here.